You spend 1/3 of your entire life doing this. If you get this wrong, your bedroom becomes a fat storage factory. You wake up groggy, puffy, and holding water. But if you get it right, you wake up lighter than when you went to bed. It is literally free fat loss. I'm giving you 2 things: the 3 mistakes that actively sabotage your gains, and the 5 rules of the nighttime protocol that flip the switch. Let's start with the mistakes. Mistake number 1. You sleep too warm. A hot room tells your body, relax, it is summer, no work needed. But a slightly cooler room triggers a survival mechanism. Your body has to manage heat, and that raises energy use in the background. You don't need to freeze, but you need to be cool enough that you actually want a thick blanket. This activates brown fat, which burns white fat to keep you warm. Mistake number 2. The phone in bed trap. Your screen is a tiny artificial sun. You think you are relaxing, but biologically, you are screaming at your brain that it is noon. This delays melatonin. And melatonin isn't just for sleep. It is the darkness signal that tells your whole body to repair and regulate. When you keep the lights loud at night, your cravings get louder the next day. Mistake number 3. You wake up with a dry mouth. That is a red flag. It means you are suffocating yourself for 8 hours. Poor sleep breathing puts your body into a sympathetic state. That is fight or flight. You cannot burn fat in fight or flight. You can only burn sugar. So you wake up craving donuts instead of waking up in ketosis. If you snore or wake up exhausted, tape your mouth or use a nasal strip. Now the solution. These are the 5 rules of the nighttime protocol. Rule number 1. The caffeine curfew. Caffeine isn't just energy. It blocks the chemical pressure that makes you sleepy, and it sticks around for hours. So the rule is simple: no caffeine 10 hours before bed. If you sleep at 10 p.m., your last coffee is at noon. Give your brain a chance to actually power down. Rule number 2. The 3-hour kitchen close. Think of your body like a warehouse. Trucks bring food in all day. But at night, the crew needs the dock closed so they can sweep. If trucks keep showing up at midnight, the crew cannot do the deep work. They cannot repair the machines. So give your body a quiet runway. Stop eating 3 hours before sleep. Let the night crew do their job. Rule number 3. Keep your last meal calm. This is where people mess up. They end the day with sugar and junk and wonder why they wake up starving. Make your last meal protein anchored. Add real fats. Keep it simple. You're telling your brain, we're safe, we're stable. Not roller coaster time. Rule number 4. The Magnesium Hack. Most advice tells you to just wind down or dim lights, but sometimes you need chemistry to help you. Most people are deficient in magnesium, and stress depletes it fast. I don't recommend many supplements, but Magnesium Glycinate is the off switch for your nervous system. It lowers core body temperature and relaxes the muscles. Pair it with zinc to support testosterone production while you dream. Take this stack 30 minutes before bed, and you won't just fall asleep. You will land into sleep. Rule number 5. Get bright morning light. Your sleep doesn't start at night. It starts when you wake up. Morning light sets your internal clock. It starts a countdown to releasing melatonin 16 hours later. Miss the morning light and nighttime becomes messy. So here's the plan for tonight. Turn the heat down. Close the kitchen at 7 p.m. Put the phone away and get outside soon after you wake. Do this for 3 days and you will experience the whoosh effect. You will wake up, you will go to the bathroom, and you will suddenly drop water weight and inflammation. Your body finally feels safe enough to let go of the fat. Don't waste 1/3 of your life. Turn the sleep switch on. Follow AutoFit for more no BS guide to fasting, muscle, and focus.